Let's create our first HTML structure. So in this HTML document, we have to create a folder that's going to hold all the document, the website. We're going to call it a website, and we're going to open it with the text editor, which is from Visual Studio Code. So we bring it here. Go to save the workspace as. Right now we have our folder open in the Visual Studio Code, and we're going to create our first HTML document. So we go to the new here, and we type the name of the file we want to create, and this side we're going to use index. So index actually is the initial page of website. So if you're having a collection of web pages in the same folder, and you navigate to that folder with your server, the folder that is going to be the site that's going to be initiated at the first instance, or the default home page, is going to be the file with the name index or home.html. We're going to have index.html, and we save it. So we can see that this is a HTML tag here. And see we're having a tag, like something like a tag here. So with a shortcut, we can use this to bring the structure of the HTML document. And the doc type HTML is defined as a document type of HTML5, and the language, the HTML, this is the main structure of the HTML document, and the language is the English. Like, it helps you to define the attributes of the HTML. So when it's open in any browser, it's detected as English. And this is the metacast set, that's the encoding type, and this is the viewport that's going to make it responsive on the mobile interface and other devices. And this is the title of the website. So if you visit a website, you look through the title bar, you're going to see some text there, something like a welcome, and that's the title bar. And this is the head. So the head contains all the metadata of the website, including the title and the information about the author and the information about the website. The head also contains the CSS and plugins that are going to be grabbed from APIs and other sources. And the body holds the content of the HTML document. So if we have a text with it, this text is only going to be nothing here will be browser. Okay, so let's give our document a title of homepage. Let's add a paragraph. So a paragraph comes with a tag of P, and it's a container element. It's having an opening and a closing tag. So within it, we're going to type the content. So this is content, and we're going to save it. So open with live save. So we can see we're having it here, and this live server is an extension that you can install here. So when you come to the extensions at display, you can just type in live server when you have an internet connection. So live server, and it's going to bring it here. And there's also an extension called Prettier. So Prettier also makes your code beautiful. Purchase it. Basic HTML structure. This website is with a title of homepage, and the body is holding the content of a paragraph, within which is the content of this is a content. So that was just it. We having this is a content, the web, and we can also open it from the folder we just created. So if we can navigate to the home page, okay, display, and we open the folder we created, we see we having it here, and we can just launch. It's going to be the same. It says this content.